All right, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing today? It's Tuesday. Uh, we're out here at Mr. Reeves' place. I think I got him woke up. It's about 7:16 in the morning. We're just waiting on him to get his booty up out of bed so that he can get these doors open so that I can get to work. 'Cause I'm ready to bust some ass today. This truck made it over here. We didn't have any problems. Drove a lot better than yesterday when I brought it back to the house. Literally every single spark plug was completely fouled. So we gave it a new set of plugs, oil change, which it didn't have any oil in it, my standards, and it seemed to run a whole lot better. Other than that, we'll get to it here in just a little bit. I gotta go to the bathroom. Them 7:30 in the morning woes. I'm sure y'all can appreciate that. Okay, so we're starting to get started. We have a painless wiring harness to install. That's a lot of wire for a little car. This is what we're going to be working on this morning. Got a nice big beautiful shop over my head. So yeah, let me turn that sideways. This is what we're going to install this wiring harness in. Fun. We'll be back. Normally I don't record while I'm in the loo, but this one's got some really cool stuff in it. Don't worry, y'all won't get to see me. Showing you. You know you're in a man cave. And the bathroom in the man cave looks like this. So, but yeah, I'm at Mike Reeves' house. I'll get some footage of the lovely collection he's got here in the car collection room. You know the man loves Bel Airs. Now, watch this, y'all. This is the type of stuff we love to work on. Man's got a man cave. Very nice. This is where I get to work at. Let's see. I'm over here next door. I don't even remember what he said the fuck, I can't remember. Can't remember the door code. That's my piece of shit oven this morning. Feel much better. Time to get back to work, y'all. I've got this to deal with. And I'm having to read over this fun little manual this morning. There's our new dash that we're going to put in. Wiring harness. Fun. Alright, just give you a quick insight before I start tearing all this out. I mean, the removal process is definitely probably isn't going to be done today. So this is going to be a multi-part episode, so. But, yeah. I'm going to tear all this spaghettiness out and go with new shit. Okay, so we've got all this back here. Got all that undone. Dropped our AC box down. Or we can finally get up underneath the dash a little bit better. I don't like how some of this was fabricated and originally done, but whatever, we'll redo it. So it looks a whole lot cleaner under here. Some dumbass in the previous past decided that he needed to use, it's kind of hard to see, he needed to use That is a vacuum cleaner electrical cable or some other appliance, but it's not automotive grade. Fucking people making shit work. Oh, and this is another fun part that I found. The top bolts that hold this column in are not there. I mean, Jesus Christ. So, and then like that bar underneath there is being cut. We're gonna finish cutting this out this morning. Get us some more room in there because I've got a whole bunch of gauges I need to wire in. All this shit's gonna come out. I'm about to get it up on the lift here in a minute. Yeah. Nice lift, huh? Wait till the old man gets here. He's got a particular way he wants to lift the car. I don't blame him. I don't want to fuck it up. So we'll wait on him. Such a beautiful day. It's all cloudy and overcast, nice and cool. So, alright, I'll take y'all through. That's our new painless harness. We're not going to use anywhere near this amount of wire. That's what I pulled out. Someone used appliance cord. Why y'all got to do that? We pretty much got our alternator circuit, our starter circuit undone. Now we'll be moving on to tidying up the rest of this under the dash shit. We've got our ignition switch set to the side right there. And got our AC box and everything over on the other side. And I get to wire it all up to this. Yay. Okay. Much bigger hole now. That should fit all of our gauges in there. Good deal. Okay, everybody. So, this wiring harness is going to have to come with me so that I can go to Painless here in Fort Worth because of one problem. Let me get this off of the bench here. That's the key switch that we have with this style of plug. And we've got this is what it comes with. It wants me to use a factory GM style plug-in switch, which would be all fine and dandy if I had a key on column, but I don't. So, and they don't label the wires. So we're pretty much almost at a halt for the day. I'm just going to get some stuff cleaned up and get everything packed up and ready for me to get all this taken care of tomorrow while I'm out running other mobile calls. And then we'll be back on Thursday to finish getting all this installed. I'm going to do a little bit more cutting on the dash so we can get this dash. I got to cut out pieces on here so that'll match up, and then cut out a little bit more on the dash itself. Show you all the dash. So basically, as you see, we've got a big hole there, but I need to make more cuts. Go through here. So we're gonna get to cutting. Again, I really hate cutting on a 35, but it's got to be done. so got all these edges. Pretty much run my finger across it. Smooth. All that smooth. Smooth. Just smooth. Smooth as I can get it without contorting the metal. I don't want to hurt it too bad. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and call it there for today, day one, and we'll come back with day. There's a quick ending for part one. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment. And then if you like hot rods, give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this video will get a lot of views. I'm going to start packing it up and head home for the day. There's not a whole lot else I can really do with what I have. So I'm going to put a pin in it here, and we'll come back to it on Thursday. Stay tuned for part two. Hey everybody. Alright, so it's Thursday. Sorry I haven't gotten a video up in the last couple days. We're stringing our front wires. That's our tail wires. And we're going to keep plowing ahead. It's kind of hard to film whenever we're in the middle of stringing everything and trying to keep our brains straight so that we don't fuck all this up. Give you a little insight. We've got our wiring loom harness. It's just kind of loosely ran right here for now. We'll maybe find a more permanent solution for that later on. But for now, we're making progress. Right, Carson?
Yep.
Right. All right.
Go from front to back.
I still hang out with my best friend Dave. I've known him since we were kids at school. Last night he had a new shot, got in a tight spot.
Okay, everybody. So Carson, our little test monkey, pump it a little bit. No, the gas. All right. Crank it. Let me see your... Hit it again. Do that again? Hang on. I'm wondering if I'm getting power to the plugs. All right, hit it. All right, I got no... I'm so sorry I have not posted anything in, well, it's been about a week. But as you can see, I've been a little bit busy rewiring a car. So, show you all that we've got a digital speedometer, RPM gauge, voltmeter, fuel gauge, oil pressure, temp. Got a good idle, got good charging voltage, good oil pressure. Throw this thing in drive. We're on the lift, so we're not going to go anywhere. I just want to show you the speedometer does work. Shit, you scared the hell out of me. There he goes. Want to see your speedometer? We're cruising at about 10 mile an hour.
Huh?
So we're cruising at about 10 mile an hour.
Back working.
Yeah.
That was easy enough. Why the hell can't you get the hard feet?
This bitch is off the lift. This bitch is done. Just gotta get all my tools out of it. I'm done. I've been paid. Howdy, YouTube. Okay, so as y'all, if you made it this far in the video, then you will have seen that my car is running. All my gauges work. Everything's done. Sorry we hadn't posted about Andrew Yang, but you know, work's work. Trying to think what else I can add. I didn't end up filming a lot of this process, mostly because I don't have a tripod. I got a 2-legged tripod. There was no signal out there hardly. I could have recorded with my phone, but I like having battery life. So that's a nice trade-off. Try not to say as much. I missed y'all. I hope I get some feedback on this video. I've missed uploading. I've been really tired. I've probably, in the last 7 days, I've worked almost 70 hours on this car. Maybe a bit off a little bit more than I could chew in a week, but I got it done. All the gauges work. Everything works like it should. There's nothing else that I could do. Well, I'm sorry. The only circuit that doesn't work, and it's not my fault, the horn. It's a stainless steel or billet. I'm not really sure. I want to say it's stainless steel. Might be billet, but that horn button ain't working on that dash. I've got 12 volts to my connection. When I ground it, it honks the new horn we just put in today, but it ain't honking on the actual steering wheel. I didn't install the steering wheel. That was another gentleman named Kenny. I'm not wishing anything, you know, he didn't do anything wrong in my opinion, but you know, we completely ripped out every bit of wiring that he had in the car, and I installed it all in a week, whereas he probably would have taken half a year. A week or half a year? Which would you choose? I think I'd choose a week. I mean, I put off a lot of my other customers to get this guy done. He's a really good customer. I got paid a nice fair wage. I probably should have charged more. But, you know, repeat business. Well, repeat business. And I'm going to respond right now to a couple of the, well, no, you know what? I'll make a separate video to address the negative comments that I've received in the last couple of days. I'll address that at a separate time. For now, I just want to say thanks for watching the video. I'm sorry I didn't get more footage. I'm sorry I didn't get better footage. Sorry I didn't show the process and how we did it. Well, my trade secrets on that are going to stay mine. I got a better way that I'll do this next time. More methodical way. This is honestly the first time I've ever installed one of these painless kits. Definitely wasn't scared of it. Definitely probably should have chose a different kit rather than the key on the column that didn't really want to fit, and then I kept having problems with the ignition switch wiring, which then ended up being my own dumbass fault. As Painless Tech Line told me, I had the pink wire grouped with the brown wire instead of with the orange wire. Oops. I'll take that on myself. But anyway, if you've made it this far, please throw a like, please throw a comment, and please subscribe.